and try making your own bento box and vegan as well. Hey guys, it's me, Effie, and we're here in Osaka for a very special vegan event. I'm so excited. We're here at Cocowell cafe in Kita-Horie in Osaka, and we're going to be joining the Bentoya Cooking event. So we're going to be making characters lunchboxes. I can't wait to make these bento boxes, so let's check it out. Can you tell us, Rina, how Bentoya began?
Because in Japan it's difficult to find vegan food because of like soup stock made from bonito flake in Japan normally. So we have many foreign friends have a difficult time to find vegan food in Japan. That's why we started.
When did you start?
Last year.
Wow,
last June. Yeah.
And has it been very popular so far?
Yeah, like we have booking like 4 times a week, sometimes 3 times a day. Yeah, so popular now.
Wow. Yeah, so many people are looking for vegan options.
Yeah, I think so. So also in Osaka there are not many vegan options. That's why like I want to like introduce like vegan cooking in Osaka.
I love this apron. Look at it, it's so cute. In Japan, they have a lot of classes for kids to make things, and this was one of the things they made, and I made it with them. It's really cute. Look, it says Effie.
Looks like difficult, but it's very easy to make. Please make a cucumber ring and the character glacé and it's table.
So, alright, so the first step is the cucumbers, and we're going to be constructing this Kyara-ben character bento. Okay.
So you can make the hole.
Okay.
Here. And one more hole.
Okay.
You can cut here. And you can take ring.
I see. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it's pretty simple. I think that's the main point of these workshops, is that it's simple and very easy for anyone to make, even kids. If they can do it, I can do it. So, now we're making a carrot star. And there's this cool cutter thing. It looks like a cookie cutter. After cutting the carrots and everything and the cucumbers and making those rings, they prepared already a pot here with sugar and soy sauce and water. And the sugar is very special because it's coconut sugar, which is super healthy and environmentally friendly too. So that was really nice to know, which you can also buy here at Cocowell. So that steams up. And while that's steaming up, we're going to be preparing the actual bento of Shaun the Sheep and his cute little face. Just preparing some rice and some nori and vegan cheese actually, which I'm really excited about. I might actually go buy some of that, which some people bought at Daiei. You can buy at like Aeon. It's very accessible as well. So just making the whole bento vegan friendly. So it's traditional Japanese food, but vegan.
So today we make 3 rice balls, 1 for face and then 2 for ears. I show you first. It's seaweed, but please cut like here, here and here. Please cut because it's easy to wrap. Japanese rice is very sticky, so very easy to make rice ball. So today, like we steam rice with coconut oil. So now we make ice. But if you cannot find vegan cheese, I use potato.
So cute.
So please go back to your table and then everyone makes one.
So she just explained everything in English, and then she has her students making their own bento. This is actually their first one here in Osaka. They usually have cooking classes in Tokyo, Kyoto, all over Japan. Hey guys, we're here with
Oh, hey, Jules.
Jules, awesome. How did you find out about this event?
I found out about it on the Kansai Vegan and Vegetarian Facebook group.
Ooh, nice. And are you vegan?
Yes. Yeah.
How long have you been vegan?
I stopped eating meat in 1982.
And how do you find it being vegan here?
Well, people often say, oh, it must be difficult, but I don't find it difficult. I don't have any problem at all, really, and I cook a lot of things at home. And there's definitely fewer restaurants that you can go to, that's for sure. But I have a great time, I think it's fantastic.
The goal is to make Shaun the Sheep, the character, super popular here in Japan right now. I think it's from the UK originally. So this is what we're trying to do right now. We're gonna make the face and the ears and the hair. Kind of looks like me a little bit. But cute little poofy hair for Shaun the Sheep. So fun! Almost there. Making bento. Kyara-ben. This, I never had this growing up in New York, you know, as a kid. I wish I would have had a cute little bento. We're gonna be making the eyes using this vegan cheese right here. So just basically cutting the cheese into a little block and then using this little cutout straw, like a tapioca straw, so it's a little bit bigger. And that's it. And we're gonna put it here. So cute, right? Oh, so cute. Cut a little circle. Little eyeball here. We're gonna put it right there. Okay, and next eyeball. Okay, Shaun the Sheep. Yay. Not bad, right? Pretty good. I made it a little bit smaller. Everybody else made theirs bigger. It's okay. I like it cute. So now we're just gonna fill in the rest of the bento with all the other things that we're preparing.
Cocowell cafe already prepared 2 side dishes. This one is the tofu cutlets. 高野豆腐のカツ。
A little bit of spice, some vegetables, and tomato sauce. So it's pretty simple. And here we're gonna be putting the carrots that we cut before. So just basically constructing however you feel like making it. I finished my cute bento Kyara-ben. Okay, itadakimasu. Let's eat, you guys. I'm so excited to eat my adorable, cute little, sorry Shaun the Sheep, I'm gonna eat your hair. I wanna try this. This is really good. Adorable, delicious, healthy. I mean, everything you want in a Kyara-ben.
Today the event is so much fun, so we want to continue to have like collaboration and cooking event.
Thank you so much. Thank you for what you're doing, and thank you for today's event. It was super fun. I hope you get a chance to check out Bentoya Cooking and try making your own bento box, and vegan as well. So thank you for following us. I hope you got inspired and try to have fun with your food as well. Subscribe, follow us along, and we'll check you out next time. Bye. Okay, I really don't know what to do.